Ano po guys, so ayan po, ang aking luto today, native chicken with papaya. Ayan, with papaya, native chicken with papaya, with malunggay. With malunggay guys. Try natin yung sabaw mga kapatid. Native chicken with malunggay and papaya. Wow! Sarap! Napakasarap guys. So, ayan po guys. Thank you for watching mga kapatid.